Hakasan tarik yayong ka St. Anthony's LP School Shillong kala penlong ya ka 21st annual Come Into School Sports Meet Bashisngi kabala long hadon Bosco Mini Stadium lajum kra. Lawan pli ka we lama da uba I Kharmalki Director Urban Affairs Kumukongsan. La senran yu Kongsan da Reverend Padar Anthony Kharkongor but Reverend Padar Rafael Tham Principal Jong School. Ya ka Inter School Sports Meet lawan ban penwai do uba Sylvester Nong Tenger Commandant 6th MLP Battalion Kumukongsan. Hakane ka inter school meet lawan ban shimbanta khatwei tli ki school. Ki bala pha iki khna school jong ki shinrang bat kan thei rangkat bat ki kmi ki khpa ki bala wan ban pensngan ban kaangshla ban kershan yala ki khon jong ki. Haka jingkren jong uba I Kharmalki ula pen kan mau ba ki jingya le ki rap shikat dei e ya ka kwat ka khia kamet kaphat bat ikabor perkhat perdan kajabing. Ula kentu yala ki kemi ki kpa bakim de ban ailat ki khon bakin penlut por than ha ki mobile ki video game ki computer bat ki TV. Baki khon ki de ban mi shamadan ban yale kai khnang ban yo ya kamet ka bakwet bakhia. Haka 100 meters shinrang kini kilong kinong job. Sebastian Makri na Divine Savior Higher Secondary School, Abraham Lapi St. Edmunds Secondary School, Baru Jefferson Elysius Karwansuk Stonyland School. Katba haka 100 meters kan thei la job daka El Pidari Ranja Divine Savior Higher Secondary School, Mabel Nongkandri St. Rose Secondary School, bat ka Liza Mystica Pengrop Auxilium Higher Secondary School. Haka relay race kan thei la job daka Kiddies Corner School, Auxilium High Secondary School, bat St. Mary's LP School. Katba haka relay race shinrang la ra eka nam jing job daga Divine Savior Higher Secondary School, St. Edmunds Secondary School, but ka St. Anthony's LP School. Yaka March Past Chinrang, la job daga St. Anthony's LP School, Kiddies Corner School, but ka Little Flower Secondary School. Haka March Past Kanthai, la job daga St. Mary's English School, ka St. Mary's LP School, but Kiddies Corner School.
We kindly request the chief guest to please come down to the saluting dais to take the salute. Approaching the dais, the St. Anthony Junior School, flag bearer, Commander Rubio Santukan, placard bearer, Ranjana Kuchi, and their motto for duty at studio. Approaching the dais, we have Providence School, Nangte's Kam as a flag bearer, Remo Kongro, Commander, Adil Nancy, placard bearer. Their motto, every child in need is a messenger from God. Following the St. Mary's LP School, we have Auxilium Higher Secondary School. Dakmenbyawala, flag bearer. Egliana NEHU Khadud. Following the Little Flower School, we have Storyland. Midondor Elbaman, flag bearer. Duanyang Puranongla, commander. Jefferson E. Karwanso, placard bearer. Their motto, growing and achieving together.
Next contingent, we have the Greenhouse, placard bearer Mishan R.P. Green, commander Nashwa Jordan Khubor, flag bearer Sebastian Ewok E. Khubor. Their motto, we don't aspire to be the best of the team, but aspire to be the best for the team.
Even at a very young age, obesity, overweight, even at a very young age, depression, cases of suicide, which is unheard of before, and even heart attack also at a very young age. And there are many solutions to that. Medical doctors will have a lot of prescriptions to give to avoid all this, but I think the best solution and the most simple solution is sports and exercise, for which you should be thankful to the school for having this kind of program today, and maybe for all the days to come you should have on your own everyday exercise. This is the most simple solution that can really help us to avoid these modern illnesses that we witness day to day in our society. If you look back at 20 years back when we were young and my father was here, when everybody, the teachers were young, we had a lot of open space in the village, even in Shillong area. There were lots of public spaces where people can play, where children go out to play in the field. And you would see people, students, children after coming back to school, after having a tea at home, they would run to the field and play football and play all kinds of games. Gasping for breath, jumping, and sometimes throwing themselves into the ground. There was so much of exercise. And it reminds us of the echoing green of William Blake. Soon our sports shall be seen on the echoing green. There were a lot of noises, a lot of shouting by students, by children in the echoing green, which is not so the case in our modern world. Now there is no space, there's no public spaces, there's no public ground where children would play, would exercise themselves, would really have that happy time that we had maybe 20 years ago. But now to get exercise, we spend a lot of money. And at every weekend, I will find many families are taking their children to Cherrapunji, to Rikhoi area, to resorts, spending money to go for swimming, which is one of the best parts to get themselves good exercise, but at a very great cost. And even now also we have a lot of boys and girls spending money in gyms so that they get good exercise. That was not so in the past. But now we have to spend a lot of money to really get good exercise. Whatever we can do is for parents now to really encourage our children to get away from mobile games, video games, computer games, watching TV. We have to really force them to come out to the field to play. And it is our duty that if we want to have our children healthy, we want them to get To avoid all this modern illness that I've been talking about, it is high time that this sports day is not only a day proclaimed only today, but every day we should find time to take our children out so that they get the best exercise in their life. This will help them to start in good steps in the future. And when they become old, just like I'm talking about the echoing green, they will be like old John with white hair, the slap awake hair. Such were the joys when we girls and boys in our youth time were seen on the echoing green. So at that time you should also feel happy that you had the chance of
This is the final call for the inter-school 100 meters boys.
Arshim, Khanila Sun, Malvinia Yaupnyo, Ribamika Bla, and Riti Donna Rani. In third place, we have Little Flower Secondary School. In second place, we have Kiddie School.